This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your device settings and navigating to notifications or sounds so you can control each app directly. Tap the specific app whose alert tone you want to change. This isolates the app's sound options. Once there, make sure notifications are enabled and that sound is permitted. Otherwise, you won't hear any changes. You're setting the stage to swap tones quickly, so don't skip enabling sound permissions before moving to the sound selection step. Now choose a tone from the built-in list or tap Add to import a custom audio file. You want a short clip so alerts are concise. If using your own audio, use the Files or Music Picker, then trim and convert to a supported format like MP3 or AAC when needed. Once you select the clip, preview it to confirm volume and clarity. If it's too long or quiet, edit the file before applying so notifications remain noticeable yet unobtrusive. Apply the chosen tone and immediately trigger a test notification so you can confirm it works as expected. Send yourself a message or use the app's test button. If you don't hear anything, check system volume and vibration settings, then make sure Do Not Disturb is off. If problems persist, restart the app or device and verify notification permissions again. Resetting permissions often clears conflicts. Once verified, you're done. Notifications will use the new.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.